Well, that was a little bit different for my channel, wasn't it? It was very different actually. I've never uploaded anything like that, I don't think, but I will tell you why now. I'm just going to address this light bulb in the corner here because I know some of you have been taking bets on how long that would last. If you don't know, basically it's a really cheap Amazon light that changes colours, and I've been quite impressed with it. But yeah, it has died after about a year in service, so not terrible, but not great either. Very quickly on the plus side, I'm wearing socks today that have the Photoshop logo on them. So to all those people who said I wouldn't amount to anything, quite clearly I'm a baller. Right, now this video is sponsored by Lumix, and pretty much the entire thing was shot on this, the Lumix G90, and some clips from my G9, which I'm filming this on now as well, and a couple of drone shots, and a couple of GoPro shots in the car. But aside from that, I mean, 98% of it was shot on the G90. So if you're interested in looking for video cameras, check out this. But the reason for it is twofold really. The first is that I was in Iceland last week for a workshop. I was running a workshop, a photography workshop with Nigel Danson, and I was very aware that I didn't want to be distracted by doing kind of a normal vlog. You might not believe it, but typically when I do normal vlogs, it's quite sort of brain intensive. It can take up quite a lot of headspace. And so yeah, time that I was spending not driving, I was trying to be sort of present and useful in some way. And had I been vlogging, I think I would have been at least a bit distracted, which which wouldn't have been any good. So I didn't want to vlog, and instead what I thought I'd do is collect a load of clips, which is much easier to do because I can just leave the camera and go off and do something else. And well, I thought I'd compile them all together in a style that I've seen lots on YouTube recently and I've been really inspired by. So I've been watching lots of Dream Builds, which is a bike channel whereby lots of bespoke, incredible bikes get built. Craig Adams, who does amazing adventures, and he'll just film them basically, and he'll do very little talking in them. Well, he'll talk at the end where he'll kind of guide you through what he did, but he'll just show you a place rather than tell you about a place. And I think I've learned from that, because I do tend to waffle on. If you've watched this channel for a while, you'll know that I do waffle on. So that was quite interesting to see. And I thought I'd give it a go on the basis that going forward, this channel, I think I want it to be like I don't want it to change that much, but I think I want to take it more of like an adventure direction, as opposed to lots of videos of me sat here talking about photography tips that 3,000 other YouTube channels are talking about. I think I'd like to do things like bike packing, as I've said before, and that kind of thing I think can be documented quite well by this sort of video. And I'm not saying I'm not going to talk again. Clearly, I mean, I talk a lot. I couldn't possibly not talk again on video, but I think that sort of vibe, coupled with showing pictures, showing where I am, talking a little bit about where I am, might be quite interesting for my adventure stuff going forward. So yeah, this was an experiment really. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you liked it, or if you didn't. I'd be interested either way. And yeah, food for thought, I think, for future. But thanks for watching in any case, and thanks to Lumix for sponsoring the video. So yeah, see you next time, and let me know what you thought in the comments, please. Cheers.